Yes, sir.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड वाला। आई एम सोनम। दोस्तों, आज हम रिव्यू करेंगे एक मलयालम फिल्म जिसका नाम है कड़ा, जो रिसेंटली अमेजॉन प्राइम पर रिलीज हुआ है। इसमें है टोविनो थॉमस लीड रोल में और साथ में है सुमेश मूर। आइए मेरे स्टूडेंट से बात करते हैं और उनसे जानते हैं उनको ये फिल्म कड़ा कैसे लगा। आई विल स्टार्ट विद आदिति।
Yes.
आदिति, हाउ डिड यू फाइंड द फिल्म?
So I didn't really like the movie. It was
Okay.
okay, like one time watch के लिए it was fine. But then जो expect किया था तो वीनो थॉमस से वो उतना expectation का ये मैच नहीं किया.
अच्छा, ओके। क्या मतलब आपके लिए क्या वर्क नहीं किया फिल्म में बेसिकली?
Like I thought they tried to make it as Ayappanum Koshiyum. Like
ओके,
the storyline was वैसा only, but then
राइट
like वो उतना इसमें नहीं आया. Like how Ayyappan and Koshiyam was
हाँ,
compared to that, it was nowhere close to.
right. Very good point mentioned, Aditi. I really liked how you compared these two films. In fact, when you take a look at it, you will find that it is quite similar to Ayyappan and Koshim. I'll come to Marita. Marita, what did you think about the
Yes,
film?
sir, I've always been a big fan of Malayalam films, as you
Okay.
also know that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So मुझे ऐसा लगा कि प्लॉट नहीं था, स्टोरी कुछ नहीं था, बट
Okay.
सिनेमाटोग्राफी 5 on 5, म्यूजिक 5 on 5, एक्टिंग
Okay.
5 on 5. बस
Okay.
ये सब चीज इट डजंट मैटर अगर प्लॉट इतना फीका था, बट
Okay.
एक्टिंग और म्यूजिक और ये सब चीजें पूरा मूवी को खा गया. तो मेरे लिए इट वाज ओके बट स्टिल अच्छा.
Still, you didn't mind watching it. You enjoyed watching it. That is
Yeah,
what you feel. Okay. All right. Let me ask Kavya. Kavya seems to be in a very introspective kind of a mood. Kavya?
So actually this film has some good points. Like you can't say it's a terrible movie altogether. You can't even say it's a great movie. Like I would generally not go out, come watch this movie or not recommend it to people. But if I
Okay.
had to watch it, it wouldn't be a waste of my time. I feel ye film, it's been inspired by so many other Malayalam films. You can see it is an inspired film, but they forgot to make an original script or some sort of script they forgot to make. Like you could see there is some good sound, there's great editing, great cinematography. In fact, the direction style is so familiar right now with the latest Malayalam films, but this particular movie doesn't have any sort of gravity to it. It doesn't have, it's just too much randomly, so many fight scenes, and you're just like, what are you fighting at? So in the
Okay.
end, it just became a drag. You just wanted it to end.
But technically, you found the film to be brilliant.
Okay.
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 Even
You
that
can
is
say
okay.
so.
Okay. Shreya, what about you?
Sir, actually, I'm a Tovino's fan, so I was having a little expectation because he's a chocolate boy and even a action hero.
But
In Maya Nadi, he's a complete chocolate boy, and in Kalki, he's complete an action hero. So I was having an expectation. He always chooses a script which is very unique. Vina Uyere, all that's unique script. So I thought कि हाँ maybe कुछ अलग रहेगा देखने के लिए. तो when I saw the trailer, I thought something mystery है movie में, क्योंकि psychological thriller है. So I thought something mystery. But when I watched the movie में mystery नहीं है, सिर्फ action ही action है, like over action है, और बहुत as काव्या ने बहुत drag किया है. Like मुझे लगा कि क्यों यार टोविनो ने ऐसा movie क्यों sign किया, ऐसे लगा कि क्यों ऐसा. Action scenes were very good, acting was very good, cinematography was amazing, but story है ही नहीं movie में किधर भी. That is a little disappointment. But बाकी सब टोविनो हो या दिव्या पिल्ले हो या लाल सर हो, and the guy who was
Sumesh, his name is, yeah.
Sumesh Noor. Everybody's acting was good, but जब story और अपने को engage करने का कुछ आता है तो there is nothing engaging in the movie.
Okay, script is threadbare. I'll come to Pritish. Pritish, did you like the film, or were you also like okay?
Yeah, I mean, I have a bit of a mixed reaction. मुझे उतना अच्छा भी नहीं लगा, but उतना खराब भी नहीं लगा. I mean, yeah, I agree to most of them. Like technically, it's a very good film.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, second half तक like it was very dragging मुझे. Like I was like too much of action. Like बार like repeat हो रहा था plot points, ऐसा लग रहा था. And like हाँ, I mean, last में थोड़ा like boring हो गया. And this is something like कुछ original नहीं था. Like ego battle you have seen. Like I think वो Ayappanam Koshiyam में था. Driving license भी kind of similar. एंड लाइक जो एडिटिंग पैटर्न एंड एवरीथिंग वो थोड़ा काफी जल्लीकट्टू से सिमिलर था लगा, लाइक द होल चेजिंग एंड वो फास्ट फास्ट कटिंग, मुझे लगा कुछ बिल्डअप होके कुछ होगा, बट इट वाज लाइक अ बिट ऑफ लाइक मैं मूवी था थोड़ा.
Okay, so is Pritish's reaction. Shubhu, I know you don't like action films. इसमें action और violence कुछ ज्यादा ही है. आपको कैसे लगा फिल्म ये?
नहीं सर, तो मतलब I agree with everybody कि a lot of people said that they had a lot of expectations from this movie, and it is true, a lot of people have expectations from this movie. And sir, you know, I have this habit, once I finish watching a film, especially if I have to review it, I go and I read a few reviews. I try to find out how people have liked it, how critics have liked it, how normal audience like us have liked it. And then I try to understand that probably sometimes there are certain things that even as a viewer who is trying to analyze the film, I might miss certain points. So that is why I go and read. And then there was one review, and I mean, it was the total opposite. As in, it said that the first half of the movie, where they were taking time to establish the plot, they were taking time to establish the characters, they were introducing so many people, they were probably trying to introduce a story to us. That was very dragging. But the action part was, you know, fantastic and fabulous, and it was really, you know, gripping for the audience. But for me, it was the total opposite. You know, I liked the first half of the film, and I actually thought that probably इनको story establish करने को time लग रहा है. They are trying to, you know, give us a lot of details, and in the end, probably all of that is going to come together to make some meaning. But later on, it is just like last half of the movie is just action. They are just beating each other, they are running, इतना खून खराबा हो रहा है, इतना violence है. And as you mentioned, I'm not that kind of a, you know, big fan of action and all of that. And when I you know, read the description also, when I just started watching the films, of just description आया था, तो पढ़ा मैंने psychological thriller. So I was like, probably I will not be, you know, it will not take a toll on my mental health, but it did a lot. And I had to watch a lot of Big Bang Theory episodes to, you know, calm myself
I
down.
thought you were going to say K-drama.
No, not today. But I had to watch, and it was really, it disturbed me a lot. But apart from all this, the acting was fabulous. I mean, जैसे उनका look जैसे था, or all the people, you know, I'm not just saying Tovino, but all the other people also who were supporting actors, the way they were dressed, the way they looked, even Sumesh Moore, unko the kind of makeup or whatever you call it, the way, you know, कितना unkempt दिखाया था उनको पूरे movie में, it could really, you know, give me those vibes. Though I felt scared, and you could really feel कि, oh God, this is wild. They are fighting like wild animals. So that was really nice. And as everybody mentioned, the cinematography was amazing. The location was amazing. The kind of shots they took were amazing. The direction was also amazing. But like what everybody mentioned, and even like Kavya mentioned, and even Shreya mentioned, it did not have a story, unfortunately. It could have been better. It could have been written better, because starting mein also there was a scene jahan pe that child sees a very scary creature and he gets scared. But उसके बाद वो scary creature कहीं पे mentioned ही नहीं हुआ, mention ही नहीं किया. क्यों ऐसा? आगे जाके we don't know why was that creature shown. हाँ, something was eerie, something was scary, but what was it? वो पता नहीं, मुझे बहुत dragging लगा. वो creature के बारे में कुछ mention नहीं हुआ. किस चीज से वो इतने डरे हुए हैं? The events that were going on. Nothing of that sort was mentioned, and I felt that probably if they could have mentioned something about that, it would have had some.
Okay, Shubhu explained very well in detail. Aditi, let me come to you. Did the acting impress you of Tovino and the other guy, Sumesh?
Yes. The acting was really nice, especially the Moore guy. I forgot his name.
Sumesh
Yeah,
Moore.
he had like he had that devilish smile everywhere, wherever it was required. So he really acted well. Even Tovino Thomas, he acted like the pain and everything. He really did it so well. Like everything was nice.
Don't you think the female lead Divya was underutilized?
The female lead, yeah.
She really had nothing to do. And what did you think about
nothing
the why?
To do.
Yeah, what did you think about the action sequences, the way it was shot? Did you like it?
Yeah, the cinematography, the way it was shot and everything was really nice. Like the zoom up and all the action scene which was shot was
Right.
amazing. But then the story wasn't that appealing.
Okay, Marita, let me ask you a different question. Was Tovino looking hot in this entire beard and unkempt hair look? Someone is saying this. Marita,
Hello.
Marita, can you hear me? Marita,
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
you didn't
sir.
hear the
Can you-
question. Everyone else heard the question. My question was a different sort of a question. Do you think Tovino was looking hot and handsome in his beard and in his really long hair?
Yes, sir. He was looking so handsome. I just Googled, I've never watched this movie. So I Googled him and Wikipedia पे भी जो picture है उसमें भी वो इतना hot लग रहा है. तो और उसका acting I guess बहुत
Yeah.
मतलब ऐसा डिसाइड ही नहीं कर पा रहे थे कि कौन अच्छा एक्टिंग कर रहा है. दोनों का भी लेवल ऐसे 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 था. तो डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे थे उसको देख के या कौन अच्छा है या कौन विलन है कौन हीरो है कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था. इतना अच्छा था दोनों का एक्टिंग. एंड
Right.
फाइटिंग सीन्स भी मैंने कभी ऐसा मतलब ये फर्स्ट टाइम है जब मैंने अलग फाइटिंग सीन्स देखा है. एंड सुमित वाज डूइंग इट सो वेल और उसका वो फेस देख के आई गेस मुझे वो डर लगेगा उसको नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी भी देखी कि ऐसा नॉर्मल तो मुझे डर लगने वाला है उसको देख के.
Okay, all right. Kavya, do you think violence थोड़ा over the top हो गया? इतना जरूरत नहीं था?
I think it's a very, the choreography of the entire violence scene. It started off nice that, the lead hits the person who's attacking him. The person getting attacked gives back. After a point, it seemed like it's not only inspired by some great Avengers movie or some really, great Malayalam films, but it's inspired by Tom and Jerry. They are coming at each other time and again. This match is not ending.
Okay, that's got to be the most hilarious reaction towards Kala that I have heard till then, but it's very nice.
So 20 minutes, they are just, the first person who beats down, the other person rises, then he again gets beaten.
Okay.
Kalank. In it, Varun Dhawan in the ending just doesn't die. The same feeling came in this film. Just the person is not dying. He's rising up again and coming back, facing that ending again.
Okay.
At a point, you're just like, mar ja, khatam karo. Bolo kya hai?
All right.
Because he was beating him to death. And I was like, यार ऐसे कैसे मर नहीं सकता कोई इतना मार खा के कैसे मर नहीं सकता.
Okay, all right. Shreya, what about you? What about Tovino's acting? You are a big fan. Tovino का acting अच्छा लगा आपको?
Acting 5, hotness level 5 with that whole look, big hair and all that 5. But still I thought that he could have done so much good. अगर script की तरफ ऐसा देखा होता थोड़ा बहुत ये कि analyze किया होता तो he could have done little more अच्छा movie. And even the Divya Pillai girl, she was underutilized. She was having a great grace in her face and that great she was a new actress for me. I did not see her face earlier in any movie, in any Malayalam movie. So she was a new person for me.
Okay.
So her acting, she would have been done more roles. उनको बहुत थोड़ा और roles लेना चाहिए था. Second half में वो है ही नहीं movie में. First half में भी 2-3 roles ही है उनको. फिर second half में she is not at all there. And Lal sir, he is always the best. He's, that wala sound and always I like.
Okay. Pritish, were you convinced with the ending of the film, the climax?
Yeah, I mean, so by the time the climax came on, I was a bit bored with the film, honestly. I was like, "Ki, bas khatam karo abhi." But yeah, I mean, it was an okayish climax. But yeah, I mean, they could have trimmed like half an hour easily. Or thoda 1.5 hours kaisa tight film hota, it would have worked better. But yeah, again, I mean, I think it's a simple story, but they tried to make it complex with all the shots. I think someone said, your first half mein ghost dikhta hai. I mean, there's no conclusion to all of that. It's a simple a revenge story, but they should have kept it like that. But they tried doing it more, and I think they failed in that. Okay,
I think maybe we should ask the doggy what he thinks about this film. Maybe he will probably say, "What are this man up to?" I'm the bone of contention here. Hello. All right. Shubhu, coming to you, कितना stars देंगी आप इस film को? Out of 5?
3.
3 out of 5. All right. Aditi, what about you?
2.53.
2.5. Marita, what about you?
Plot के बिना
It's 4.5 for me.
अरे क्या बात है. Okay, Pritesh, what about you?
Sir, 2.5.
2.5. Shreya?
Sir, it's 3.
3. Okay. Kavya?
So only two things are good: cinemat and acting. So 2 stars only.
2 stars only. Okay, all right. That's my students' review of Kala. That is the Malayalam film that's trending on Amazon Prime. अगर आप लोग ने देखा है कला तो मुझे लिखकर बताना आपका क्या टेक है. मैंने अपना खुद का रिव्यू बताया. I found the movie to be very intense, but of course सबका ओपिनियन अपना ओपिनियन होता है. So respecting each and every single opinion right here given on my show. आपका ओपिनियन प्लीज लिखकर बताना कमेंट बॉक्स में. चलिए for the moment. टाटा.
Tata.